In this example, we're going to be using the product property of logs and the quotient property of logs to expand an expression. So product property says if you're multiplying terms on the inside of the argument, you could expand them as multiplication, separating each term in its own log. So inside our argument here, for the one that we have to expand log base 3 of x times y times z, there's 3 different parts or 3 different variables on the inside. So when we expand this, we're going to be separating each variable with its own log. So I would have log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y plus log base 3 of z. So this would be the expansion. So again, each variable on the inside or each part gets its own log. For the quotient property says if you have division inside the argument, you can expand as subtraction. So in this expression, we have to expand log base 4 of AB divided by C. So notice that the numerator has 2 terms. So when we expand this, I'm going to keep those 2 terms together in the beginning. So log base 4 of AB, and then we're subtracting that because C is the denominator, log base 4 of C. This is not complete because this first argument has 2 variables in it, and we can actually expand that further. Since the variables are being multiplied together, for multiplication, you can expand using the product property by adding them. So log base 4 of A plus log base 4 of B minus log base 4 of C. And you can actually skip directly to the answer here, looking at the original. Whatever's in the numerator, those are going to have positive signs in front of the logs, and whatever's in the denominator, which was a C, that's going to have a minus sign in front of the log.